Alright guys, back with another video. I'm fishing right now, so we're using little one of these things. Just casted it out a few times, didn't catch much. But hey, I might get one on video. Showing if you want to use a new bait is what you can use. Holy. Oh, almost got a nice one right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right on the top there. A fish just came up and ate that. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a keeper. My dad and my sister's out here right now, so hey, I got a nice one right here. Not bad. We'll add it to the bucket. Got a nice one. Pretty big. Hi, Mercy. Brimley did not catch the biggest one. Did she? I bet you I caught this one.
Have a good day.
Yeah, oh, if you're wondering where we are, we're at Wallace Park in Marion. By Farmer Jean's Skinny Lake or whatever. Catching some monsters around here. There's a lot of bullheads in here too. I haven't caught one of those yet today. I'm not really going for bullheads, I'm going for bluegills. So. Hey. We've been hammering them. Well, I have been. Nobody else here. They keep coming up and eating it. But I have to do something quick. Oh dang. I think that one's got it, but can't tell. Nope. Okay. Well, we caught one nice one so far. I'm not gonna edit this video because dang. Oh, there's a lot of fish over there. A lot of them. So if you wanna go fishing and you live near Wisconsin or whatever, or if you live near Marion by Skinny Lake Campground, I want to check this out. This spot. It's loaded with bluegill. You can use worms. You can use fake worms. They'll bite anything because they're stupid. As soon as I start recording though, nothing. Here, I'm just gonna go like this. Pass that out there like that. Oh, there's a nice one over there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him though. He's a little smart. Yeah, he's just staring at it. Alright, we'll go over here a little more. A little bit of waves, that's alright. Alright, well, I'm gonna come over here. There, see? If you don't have a view of what's going on, there's fish all over. Here, maybe I could put my polar eyes around this. But yeah, right there. They're all over. Here, let me see if I can get this one. Oh, he's scared. Alright, well anyways, I'll go show you what's in the bucket. Yeah, and I'm only using this. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Bucket's full of them. Alright, that's today's video. Give this video a like.